Autism Tree is a nonprofit organization dedicated to improving autism communities around the world, and it benefits the entire family.
I'm about to speak with some guests from the organization about their upcoming Winter Wonderland Holiday Celebration. But first, here's a quick look at the Autism Tree, which is celebrating its 20th anniversary in 2023.
Autism Tree has been serving one family at a time for 20 years. And now we have focused our process into 4 core values: embrace, connect, empower, and create. And we embrace every family with love and acceptance.
Before Autism Tree, we felt lost. We kind of felt on an island of our own, and we didn't have anyone that really understood us. Whenever we've gone to events, he feels embraced. He feels like he's at home, and his guard goes down, and he's himself.
We connect them to a community of resources.
I can remember how confusing it can feel and overwhelming, and to be able to say to a parent, you know, I've been there, you're not alone, and help a parent see the value of who their kid is beyond the word autism.
We empower them to create the best version of a future for their child.
Music really does help me to express myself. Felt empowered when I was a liaison in the San Diego Symphony.
And create organic relationships, meaningful opportunities, and lasting friendships.
Part of my love and excitement over, Autism Tree is, you create this massive umbrella where all these like-minded people, all these wonderful kids who all kind of have a similar but different approach, and give them an opportunity to, explore and enjoy.
The idea of the navigating neurodiversity is exactly for those families that are in crisis position, is to have someone say and help prioritize and say, to help your child, do this first, because this will unlock these resources.
And we connect them with ABA providers, mental health providers, family counseling that might help them as a family. We also look at their IEP and the services that they're getting from the school to ensure that they're adequate. IHSS that helps families who a parent has to stay home and give up their career.
Our goal is to go big and, with your help, serve 200 families who deserve to create a brighter future for their child with autism.
Well, to talk more about the Autism Tree celebrating its 20th anniversary in 2023, and they're hosting over 100 families at the annual Winter Wonderland. We have a group out on the patio with us this morning. I have Rebecca Barron, the Director of Operations, Amy Strommer and her daughter Alana, who is next to me, part of the Autism Tree family, and then Pablo, the football player mentor from UC San Diego's football team. So, Rebecca, will you tell us more about this celebration and what the Autism Tree is?
Autism Tree exists to help the autism community live our best lives. So we do that through 4 core values: embrace, connect, empower, and create. We offer over 19 different programs and over 200 annual events for our families to attend, and it's at no charge to the family. So these are fun family events, and Winter Wonderland is our biggest holiday celebration of the year. We have Santa Claus there, we have 12 holiday arts and crafts stations, we have a green screen. It's really a lot of fun for our families to come. So it's today from 4 to 7 p.m. and you're welcome to stop by. It's at the University of San Diego, and I brought one of our families today because our families are why we do everything. We serve one family at a time, and it's a really fun event.
Well, I want to bring in Amy before we go talk to Alana, because Amy, I want to know what this event means to you and your family.
Well, this will be the first time attending the event because of the pandemic, and we have been part of the Autism Tree family for 2 years, and it has been nothing but wonderful. Every person we have met has been kind and accepting and treats all of us with respect and dignity, and it's been fabulous. And we've had 2 years with Pablo with one of their programs with the USD football mentoring program, and have nothing but good things to say.
Well, Alana, I want to bring you in. Are you so excited for tonight?
Yes, like my mom said, I've never been to these events, so I think it would be fun to see what stuff they have there.
Well, you're holding a football in your hands. Has Pablo taught you how to play football?
A little bit. I want to sometime have him teach me how to kick a field goal.
Are you good? I'm sure you're great.
Yeah, I practice at home a little bit. I used to have a tube type field goal thing, and I would kick it in my backyard.
I love that. I would love to see it. I bet you're better than every single person here at KUSI right now. Pablo, tell us about your involvement as well as your whole team's involvement in this.
So with the mentor program, we have families and they come and watch us play and support us, and for me it's a big deal because my family's from Houston, so I can't always see them, and it's nice having a second family here to watch me play and take care of me.
And then what has your relationship been like with Alana? Over the past 2 years, you've really got a connection with each other, right?
Yeah, it's been great. It's like having a little sister out here and another mom and another dad. I really love it. It's nothing but good things to say.
All right, Alana, what are you looking forward to most about tonight? There's a lot of fun to have. Are you excited to see Santa?
Yes, and maybe do the sugar cookie decorations too.
What's your favorite kind of cookie?
Sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, well, more details. What do people need to know? What time does it start, and parking and everything like that?
Yeah, 4 to 7 p.m. Parking is free on the weekends, so you can park anywhere on campus. And it's going to be at the Han Center, and we'll have a lot of holiday decorations outside, so you can't miss it.
Okay, Alana, I need you to help me with one thing, okay? We're going to look at the camera, and we're going to say, "Good morning, San Diego. We'll be right back." Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, San Diego.
We'll be right back.